Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. Today I'm introducing the phrase for the week, and it's from this book, Kei Te Piki Aho, that I've written, and it's the second Te Reo Singalong book that we ever did. In this book we've got I'm jumping, jump, 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 and then the suggestion I have is for a phrase is anō nei he. So in this one we're saying anō nei he rāpeti, because we're jumping just like a rabbit. And then in this page we're running, anō nei he pūkeko. In this page we're flying, anō nei he manu. So anō nei he would be a lovely phrase to add to your kete with children, working with children. So let's say they're going around like this, pretending to be a car or a truck. Oh, anō nei he waka, just like a car. Anō nei he taraka, just like a truck. Or, jumping around like a kangaroo. Oh, anō nei he kangaroo. So I think that would be a really easy phrase to use with children, because they're always doing something like something else. And just thought I would mention that in case that really resonates with you as a phrase that you could add to your kete. Ka kite.